Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying the good state of your health. Welcome to DPS online classes. I am your teacher Rubab Ather and today I am here with you to teach at level 1 subject maths. My dear students, before we start our lesson, I want to welcome all of you back to school and I wish a great academic year ahead. My dear students, as you know, everybody in this world has a name. Like my name is Rubab Ather and you also have a name. Similarly, these numbers also have a name. So, today our topic is number in words 41 up to 60. आज के हमारे टॉपिक में हम 41 से 60 तक नंबर इन वर्ड्स लर्न करेंगे. Mr. Pilot has a number bucket for us. There are so many numbers, but we will pick the numbers from 41 up to 60 and we will learn their number names. Let's we start our lesson. As you can see, there are 4 fish. How many fish there are? There are 4 fish and we will write this digit as like this. And if we will have to find out what is its number name, so we will write it as FOUR4. This is the number name FOUR4. Similarly, as you can see, there are 3 trees, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 trees, digit 3, and if we will find out the number name of 3 is THREE3. So dear students, we start our lesson from 41 up to 60. हमारा पहला नंबर है 41. We will write it as 41. That makes 41. And if we will write its number name will be FORTY40 ONE1 41. FORTY40 ONE1 41. Our next number is 42. We will write it as 42. That makes 42. And if we will write its number name will be FORTY40 TWO2 42. We will repeat it as FORTY40 TWO2 42. Our next number is 43. FORTY40 THREE3 43. Our next number is 44 और अगर इसका नंबर नेम लिखना चाहें that will be FORTY40 FOUR4 44. Our next number is 45 और इसका नंबर नेम होगा FORTY40 and FIVE5 45. यहाँ देखें, आप देख सकते हैं 4 से हमने ड्राइव किया है 40 and what will come next 5, that means 45. Our next number is 46 और इसका नंबर नेम होगा FORTY40 FORTY40 SIX6 46. Our next number is 47 और इसका नंबर नेम होगा FORTY40 SEVEN 47. Our next number is 48 और अगर इसका नंबर नेम हमें लिखना है तो we will write it as FORTY40 EIGHT8 48. We will repeat it again FORTY40 E-I-G-H-T 8 48. What number is next? 49. And we will write its number name as FORTY40 NINE 49. We will repeat it again. FORTY40 NINE 49. Very good, my dear students. Our next number is 50. What number is next? 50. 50. And its number name will be FIFTY 50. Our next number is 51 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 ONE 51. Our next number is 52 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 TWO2 52. Our next number name is 53 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 THREE3 53. FIFTY 50 THREE3 53. Our next number is 54 and its number name will be FIFTY 50 FOUR4 54. Repeat it again. FIFTY 50 FOUR4 54. 55 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 FIVE5 55. Our next number is 56 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 SIX6 56. FIFTY 50 SIX6 56. Our next number is 57 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 SEVEN 7 57. FIFTY 50 SEVEN 7 57. Our next number is 58 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 EIGHT 8 58. Repeat it again. FIFTY 50 EIGHT 8 58. Very good. Our next number is 59 and its number name will be written as FIFTY 50 NINE 9 FIFTY 50 NINE 59. And our last number is 60 and its number name will be SIXTY 60. Repeat it again. SIXTY 60. Very good, my dear students. You have done very well. Now it's time for our recapitulation and you will tell me what is its number name. Our first number is 59. What will be its number name? Very good. Its number name is FIFTY 50 NINE 9 59. Our next number is 46. Very good. And it will be written as FORTY 40 SIX6 46. We will repeat it again. FORTY 40 SIX6 46. Our next number is 60 and it will be written as SIXTY 60. Similarly, we have our next number 48 and its number name will be FORTY 40 EIGHT 8 48. Our next number is 50. Similarly, हम यहाँ पर ऐड कर देंगे लास्ट पे TY, that makes FIFTY 50. Our next number is 55 and its number name will be FIFTY 50 FIVE 55. Very good, my dear students. You have done very well and I hope you have learned the number names from 41 to 60. Now it's time for your assessment. I have planned a very easy assessment for you. You have to match the numbers with their names. We have two columns, column A and column B. कॉलम ए में हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स हैं जिनके नंबर नेम्स कॉलम बी में मर्ज कर दिए गए हैं, मतलब आगे पीछे लिख दिए गए हैं। आपको नंबर का उसके नंबर नेम के साथ मैच करवाना है, ठीक है। तो आवर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 45. यू हैव टू मैच द नंबर्स विद देयर नेम्स। क्विकली हरी अप। Well done. Our first number is 45 and its number name will be FORTY 40, FORTY 40, FIVE 45. You will draw a line from 45 up to its number name. Now it's turn for the next number. Hurry up, match the number with its name. Hurry up. It's so easy. Very good. Next number name is here. It's 57. FIFTY 50 SEVEN 7 57. Very good. You have find out the number name. Now it's time for the third number. Where is its number name? Hurry up, match it with its name. Very good. Its number name is here. FORTY 40 NINE 49. We will draw a line from 49 up to its number name. Our last number is 52. So we will match it with its number name, that is FIFTY 50 TWO2 52. Very good, my dear students. You have done very well. Now it's time for your homework. You have an easy homework here. You will learn number in words 41 up to 60. Good luck, my dear students. But there is another lesson for you. It's about safety measures. आप सब जानते हैं कि हमारे मुल्क में कोरोना वायरस बहुत तेज़ी से फैल चुका है। सो इसी हवाले से आपको कुछ सेफ्टी मेजर्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है। अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली मेम्बर से थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन रखें। सेकंड, यू हैव टू वॉश योर हैंड्स। आपको साबुन से अपने हाथ 20 सेकंड्स तक धोने हैं। थर्ड टास्क इज़ यू हैव टू वेयर अ सेफ्टी मास्क। अगर आपको अपने घर से कहीं भी बाहर जाना है, आपको स्कूल जाना है या अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ मार्केट जाना है, तो आपको सेफ्टी मास्क पहनना चाहिए। And your last task is sanitize your hands. It's an important task. आपको भूलना नहीं है कि अगर आपको छींक या खांसी आ रही है तो छींकने और खांसने के फौरी बाद अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज करें। अल्लाह ताला आपको इस वबा से अपने हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे। See you soon, inshallah. Don't forget, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.